Hi, my name is Edwin Soto. I'm a general business major, and my topic is over whether or not having financial aid helps motivate people to go to college. As you can see, I've got my little image right there. One does not simply get financial aid, and it's true. All right, so what's the problem? Nowadays, many high school students don't attend college due to their financial struggles, whether it be they choose to work full time or they don't have enough funds even with that full-time job. And then sometimes it's the complete opposite of not having money. Their parents have too high of an income for them to get any sort of, need-based assistance from the government. And why is it a problem? Well, college, as we all know, is getting more and more expensive every single year. It's not as easy as it was to go to college as it was back in the day. And few people don't really realize how easy it is to access financial aid, especially in Grayson. And then, so as far as how the state sees it, we've got Texas offers state grants that do not have to be paid back. We've got on the national level. We have too many recent college students they just feel as if they can't pay what they are supposed to pay, what they have planned to pay. So they just end up not going. And as far as the global level, it is a little easier to receive assistance in Europe. It's just pretty much free college almost everywhere in Europe, as I said, besides England. That just doesn't exist as far as government goes, government assistance, and it's very rare to find any sorts of scholarships or grants. Some statistics here. We've got 44.2 million Americans have student loan debt, and 57% of financial aid dollars were awarded to undergraduates in the forms of grants, and 34% of that was in the form of loans. And finally, how can we solve the problem? We need to raise awareness as far as how to obtain financial assistance. And as a university graduate said, just giving them the appropriate information will help the students understand the process for applying for financial aid. Because nowadays, kids are just confused on what to do. They just don't know what to do, and they just feel overwhelmed, and it's really hard to find that information when you need it. And that's my works cited, and that's it.